Yo, see a target, you know. I'll try out for it. What you say? And then for your spot. Ah, Grabba, man, for. Morning. You know what I'm saying? They are something, say a big ass small car. Baby mother there, Jubilee, you know, she's an Irish special, you understand? Some of them couldn't be a small car. I'm not looking, no farmer contact clients, and some of them couldn't be a small car. Hold on, Michael. So. Any of the original spot, brother?
Not even know what I go on, dog.
What, dog? What I go on now?
If I reach down the road, the police not, brother.
Same say?
Yeah, the man run me down, brother.
So how you get to?
Just push down a whole man, you know.
See how you that man use? Something old man now.
Don't even know, you know, what God go with him.
Suppose the man mash up, brother.
See, if I never do that, would I get catch?
So I'm too fun. So it crack.
Most of my job.
So you know say money I got shot.
What you mean, mother?
The phone in a good condition now. And that man I pay for.
I'm gonna lose my life, you know, so you tell me, say.
Should I take the whole road, brother?
So how much may I get for this?
So me chat to you and make it, you see me? You hold this, brother? Yeah, I'm getting to that.
One phone. Dollar crack screen.
Grabba say police on him dog on phone dropping, so I suck on me cracking it. Can't do nothing about that.
Yo, 4 me tell the man them say them a get today. And you carry one mash up phone.
You just stay away today, my Sean.
You just call me.
Sorry, Bita, just sure you just stay away.
Cause we now got the wrong spot there.
Can't go to public place them now cause they just be feds.
Watch now. No man now get no money.
What, Bita?
Yo, hear me say though. Need 4 proper phone by tomorrow. Done chat. Hold.
Everybody in place?
Yeah, man. Xpressionz the building, you know.
Yes, boss. The decoy is in place.
No, please, Macam.
Why? Are you all leading, you know?
That mean you're the boss.
When you make me nervous, you know, man.
Sorry, man.
Whisper.
Chris, stop. Don't boss up the boss.
And you now make it no better.
My apologies.
So how everything looks so far?
You have seen a funny movement so far.
Me neither. I'm on my phone now, Anna.
A tree phone get grabbing at the plaza, yeah. So it look like a hot spot.
Maybe they might change up them pattern.
And that man thing too. Tony Anna, you don't know about nowhere else where this one.
Couple random place, but them always come back to that spot here.
How come the media don't want the public yet?
Well, Mr. Monies tell them to not say nothing until the operation is finished.
Oh, makes sense.
Which means we have to bingo fast before other people lose their phone.
And based on how them a move, well organized.
Yeah, man, it's obvious it's a ring. At least 5 people involved.
Or more. Everybody can see everybody?
Yeah, me I see two on.
Tony, I'm gonna see you. But Master Chris,
Okay, Mama step out some more. You see me?
yeah, me see you.
30 minutes more, then we move around. Celine, remember to hold your phone careless.
If my hold this anymore careless, I drop it, I go drop. Chris, look to your right. But slowly.
Is what?